Picture this. You've been with her for years. You built a life together, a home, memories, children, dreams. But one morning she looks at you differently. Not with love, but with quiet judgment. You've become too familiar, too predictable. And in that familiarity, her attraction evaporates. You think she's going through a phase. But in reality, something inside her has shifted. A new script has started playing, one written by biology. Fear and fading youth. Narrator, lower tone. At 40, every woman faces a mirror she can't lie to anymore. The illusion of infinite options begins to decay, and what she does next can rebuild or destroy everything she ever touched. Here's the truth, brother. The female brain is hardwired for survival, not loyalty. When youth fades, biology panics. Dopamine drops. The old validation mechanisms, compliments, glances, attention, start to disappear. And what happens then? The same dopamine she once got from being desired, she now chases through reinvention. Haircuts, new clothes, new friends, gym memberships, self-love speeches. But behind that glittering surface lies a deep biological fear. I'm running out of time. Every woman over 40 feels it, whether she admits it or not. And that fear often turns into destruction disguised as freedom. It starts subtly. She becomes restless, irritable, emotionally unpredictable. One day she's nostalgic. The next, she's cold and detached. Neurologically, it's the collapse of her dopamine-seeking mechanism. Her brain is rewiring itself, from external validation to self-preservation. She starts rewriting her story. Maybe I married too young. Maybe I settled. I deserve to find myself again. But what she's really saying is, I'm terrified of being irrelevant. And so she begins to destroy the old life to feel alive again. That's the mechanism. Destruction becomes the illusion of rebirth. You'll see the signs if you know where to look. She begins criticizing your masculinity. She stops appreciating your stability and starts craving chaos. She compares you, not to real men, but to fantasies. Case study 1. A 42-year-old wife suddenly divorces her husband of 18 years after meeting her soulmate on a yoga retreat. 6 months later, she's alone, broke, exhausted, and ashamed. Case study 2. A corporate woman, 45, leaves a loving partner because she feels suffocated. She enters the dating world, a market that no longer wants her. Reality hits like winter wind. These aren't isolated cases. They're psychological patterns, repetition of the same emotional algorithm. But here's where it gets darker. Society encourages this destruction. Modern culture whispers lies into her ear. You're still young. You can have it all. Age doesn't matter. These are dopamine traps, engineered to keep her chasing illusions. Media, feminism, and consumerism have turned midlife crisis into profit. They sell empowerment, but deliver emptiness. They sell freedom, but deliver isolation. And by the time she realizes it, the family she burned is gone. The man she disrespected has rebuilt without her. After the rebellion comes the silence. After the parties, the validation, the new self, comes the void. Her phone stops ringing. Her friends are busy. Her reflection becomes her enemy. The dopamine has dried up. And now she faces the one thing she tried to escape. Herself. It's the emotional collapse and the invisible funeral of her former identity. Every woman over 40 reaches a point of reckoning. Some rebuild humbly, learning gratitude, respect, and peace. But many destroy everything before they can see the truth. Because destruction gives them something love can't: control. They believe if they burn the old world, they can create a new one. But ashes don't rebuild, they only remind. So, my brother, what do you do when you face this? You stop chasing her chaos. You stop trying to fix what's designed to self-destruct. You learn stoic detachment. You build silently. You become the mountain that doesn't move when storms rage. Understand this. You cannot save a woman who's addicted to reinvention, but you can save yourself by mastering peace, purpose, and silence. Because in a world of noise and manipulation, stillness is the ultimate power. His mind dominion, where we reveal what others fear to speak. Stay awake, stay aware, and never bow to illusion.